So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create new style of 3D animation with using Element 3D plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition, this one. And guys, duration use 15 seconds and press OK. Yeah. So now guys, I take new solid layer and solid layer name take E3D layer. Yeah. And select this layer. And guys, I go to effect and I apply Element 3D plugin, this one. Yeah. And now guys, click on here, screen setup. Yeah. So now guys, this time I take sphere and sphere radius take 30%. That's my scaling. And guys, now copy this sphere, press Ctrl D, shortcut command, and again Ctrl D like this. Guys, create more. Okay, see guys, right? And last one, Ctrl D. Yeah, right? Okay, so now guys, select all sphere like this and apply material. So go to physical and apply black outline material, this one. So yeah, so now guys, select this top one and apply chrome material and select the second one. So guys, now select this one material and right click and apply. Yeah, and select same this one and remove unused material. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my material and that's my shape. Okay, so guys, select this material, color material, and guys, I change color. I take orange color, orange, and B0. Yeah, see guys, that's my color. I like this one, but guys, you can use anyone. Okay, so now guys, next step, I change HDRI environment. So go to again presets, environment, and use this one. And darkness, apply this one. I like this one. See, right? Okay, so guys, my shape is complete. Now press OK. Yes, and guys, I take camera and press OK. So guys, select this camera and orbit camera like this and closer. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, now select this E3D layer and go to group. Guys, here particle, and guys, increase particle, this one, like 5000. Yeah, and use this one plane. Yes, right? Okay, so now guys, shape layer increase like 25. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, now go to here, position noise. Yes, and guys, see, that's my noise and noise amount is good. Yeah, scaling XYZ, this one, and guys, noise scale amount, this one, noise amount, that's my y-axis, like 50. Yes, and guys, decrease particle size like 0.9. 0.9. Yes, see. And now guys, select this camera and closer, more, and little bit rotate like this. Yeah, See guys, that's my particles. It's really good. Right, and again closer. Yeah, right, see. And guys, set camera angle like this. Yeah, see guys, that's my camera angle. And again guys, go to E3D layer. So guys, now I create animation. So again I go to noise evolution and noise evolution check on 0 frame and go to 15 second and noise evolution take 180. Yes, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my animation, right? And guys, I change screen size for fast rendering. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, you can increase more amount like this one like 55 is depend on your work. And guys, also increase particle count like 6000. Yeah, much better. And yeah, all is good. Okay, so create full. And now guys, go to render setting and guys go to here physical environment and rotation environment, take 60 and use 60. Yes, really good. Okay, so guys, again this one I go to ambient occlusion and ambient occlusion check, and guys, selection to use high and intensity I like 5. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so now guys, I create camera movement animation. So press P for that's my position, and guys, set camera angle. Yes, and guys, I select camera angle. So image quality guys decrease. Yeah, and guys, select this position, press this animation key and go to 15 second. And guys, rotation change randomly. Yeah, and closer. Yes, and again rotate. Yes, much better, right? See guys, that's my camera movement animation. Yeah, really good. Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now this time I create glossiness animation, actually glossy effect on this part. So select this E3D layer and duplicate, Control D, and go to on top. Yes, and guys, now I create adjustment layer and go to down. Guys, select this E3D layer and unfold all, and I go to output. Yeah, and use Z depth, this one. Yes, and guys, I change start like 150, actually 280, and 120. Yes, see guys, that's my Z depth effect. And guys, select this one adjustment layer and use Luma matte. Yeah, and apply hue and saturation, apply. Yes, but see guys, that's my effect hue. See, right? See guys, and also that's my Z depth effect, right? Okay, so guys, I take hue master, take 30, and now guys, I take new adjustment layer, and that's my master color. Guys, apply same hue and saturation, same apply, actually adjustment 2. Yeah, and press E. See guys, that's my hue, and go to 0 frame and channel range check, and guys, go to last one and hue master I take 1. Yeah, so guys, go to back and play. Yes. And see guys, okay guys, it's take too much time for rendering because that's my so much heavy particles. Yeah, so stop. And now guys, I apply glow effect, glow, apply on adjustment to like 100 and 100. Yeah, and guys, copy this glow, press Ctrl D, and this time 100 is good, and radius like 50, and intensity 0.5. Yeah, really good. That's really shiny effect. And last one guys, apply curve, select this curve and apply, and that's my color correction. Yes, really good, right? Okay, see guys, that's my animation. It's really good. My animation is finished. And second one, that's beautiful lighting effect. And last one guys, I create depth of field effect. So go to camera, and guys go to camera option, and guys depth of field on, and aperture I like 25, and guys blur level like 50, actually 25, same. And guys focus distance manually change like 150. Yes, and press this animation key guys, focus distance, and press U. Yeah, and guys go to like 3 second. Yes, see guys manually change focus distance, change, go to 2 second made one. Yeah, and go to 6 second. Yes, and guys this time change focus like 100. Yeah, much better. Guys go to 9 second, and again focus guys change like 80. Yes, and go to 12 second. Yeah, guys focus change like 120. Yeah, and last one focus change like 150. Yes, much better, right? Okay, see guys, that's my beautiful depth of field effect. And guys little bit increase blur level like 50. Yeah, 50 is really good. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.